Hi everyone, today I'm going to share with you my best skincare routine that will give you glowing, happy, healthy, balanced skin. I'm a board certified dermatologist and this is my channel, so this is my nighttime skincare routine that I do every single night. I've done videos on each one of these steps in much more detail. So if you want to learn more about why I am doing each of these steps and other options that are available, you can watch those videos. But this is sort of the basic routine that I do every single night to keep my skin healthy and glowing. So step no. 1 is to cleanse your skin. This is an oil-based cleanser and I love to massage it into my skin. And what an oil-based cleanser does is it removes the previous night's makeup and any sunscreen that may be on your skin. It just kind of gets everything out of your pores and makes your skin really clean. Step number 2 is to put on an antioxidant serum. Ivy talked about vitamin C in many different videos and how it is the most important active ingredient to put on your skin. Vitamin C brightens your skin, evens out your skin tone, and also protects against the sun. So even at night, it's really important to put on a vitamin C serum. The next step is to put on a moisturizer, and when you're choosing a moisturizer, look for one that has these ingredients: hyaluronic acid, glycerin or urea. Those are humectants that will help draw water to your skin and keep your skin moisturized. The next step is to put on a sunscreen. Now I've talked about vitamin C and how important that is for your skin. Well, sunscreen is probably the second most important thing that you can put on your skin because it protects against premature aging and skin cancer. So even if you're not going to be outside, I still recommend putting on sunscreen because the sun's rays can come through windows and other things in your environment can cause your skin to age prematurely. So use a sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher and broad spectrum, meaning that it protects against UVA and UVB rays. So those are the 5 steps that I do every single night. By doing these 5 steps, you're cleansing your skin, you're protecting against the sun, you're brightening your skin, you're even out your skin tone, and you're moisturizing your skin. So those are the basics to having a great skincare routine. I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. And make sure to follow for more videos like this one. Thanks so much. Bye.